Over the last few decades, China has transformed itself into one of the most powerful forces in global military technology. What was once considered impossible is now becoming reality, especially in the field of advanced aviation. Among China's most remarkable accomplishments are its next-generation fighter jets and hypersonic aircraft, machines so advanced that even top U.S. defense analysts have publicly expressed concern. But what exactly makes these aircraft so unique? Why are they reshaping the balance of global military power? In this video, we'll explore 8 of the most extraordinary Chinese jets and aircraft, engineering marvels that push the boundaries of speed, stealth, and artificial intelligence. These machines may look like something out of a science fiction movie, yet they are real, operational, and flying at speeds multiple times faster than sound. Number 8. H-20 Stealth Strategic Bomber. The H-20 is China's most mysterious and ambitious bomber project to date. Developed in extreme secrecy for more than 10 years, this aircraft is expected to redefine global nuclear deterrence. Its flying wing design, inspired by stealth concepts similar to the US B-2, uses advanced radar-absorbing materials that make it extremely difficult to detect. Unlike older stealth bombers, the H-20 was designed from the ground up using modern digital warfare systems. Military experts estimate it has an intercontinental range of over 8,500 kilometers without refueling, allowing it to strike targets far beyond Asia. Inside its concealed weapons base, it can carry nearly 20 tons of payload, including long-range cruise missiles and nuclear weapons. An AI-assisted navigation system enables the bomber to constantly adjust its route, avoiding enemy radar and air defenses in real time. With the H-20, China has entered a very exclusive club. Only 3 nations on Earth possess stealth strategic bombers. Number 7. MD-22 Hypersonic Interceptor. The MD-22 is perhaps China's most ambitious hypersonic aircraft and also one of the least understood. Designed as a next-generation interceptor, it aims to maintain continuous hypersonic flight, something no operational fighter has ever achieved. According to intelligence reports, the MD-22 uses an advanced dual-engine system that allows it to accelerate from takeoff to speeds beyond Mach 6 without interruption. Its mission is to intercept extremely fast threats, such as hypersonic missiles and high-altitude enemy aircraft. Equipped with advanced tracking sensors, the MD-22 can detect targets moving at extreme velocities. Its airframe is built from heat-resistant materials, capable of surviving temperatures above 1,500 degrees Celsius, generated by air friction at hypersonic speed. While official confirmation is limited, multiple sources suggest that prototype test flights have already taken place at secret facilities deep within the Gobi Desert. Number 6. GJ-11 Sharp Sword Drone. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword represents the next evolution of aerial warfare, autonomous, stealthy, and deadly. This is not a surveillance drone, it is a fully capable strike platform built to penetrate heavily defended airspace. Its tailless flying wing design minimizes radar detection, while internal weapons bays allow it to carry up to 2 tons of precision-guided munitions without compromising stealth. These include anti-radiation missiles for destroying enemy radar systems and satellite-guided bombs for hardened targets. What truly sets the GJ-11 apart is its artificial intelligence. The drone can independently detect threats, rank targets by priority, and suggest attack strategies, requiring only final approval from a human operator. With an endurance of more than 10 hours and an operational ceiling above 13,000 meters, the GJ-11 has reportedly already conducted reconnaissance missions over contested regions of the South China Sea, completely unseen. Number 5. J-20 Mighty Dragon. The J-20 is the aircraft that truly changed global perceptions of Chinese air power. When it entered service in 2017, China became the second country in the world to deploy a 5th-generation stealth fighter. Powered by advanced WS-15 engines with thrust vectoring capability, the J-20 can exceed Mach 2 and sustain supersonic flight without afterburners, extending both range and efficiency. Its AESA radar can track more than 20 targets simultaneously, while a network of optical sensors provides full 360-degree situational awareness. The aircraft is armed with PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles capable of striking targets beyond 200 kilometers. With over 200 units already operational and constant upgrades underway, the J-20 is no longer just competing, it's forcing rival nations to accelerate their own fighter programs. Number 4. COMAC Hypersonic Passenger Aircraft. China isn't just pushing military limits, it's also aiming to revolutionize civil air travel. COMAC is developing a concept aircraft capable of flying at hypersonic speeds, potentially connecting Beijing to any location on Earth in under 2 hours. The design envisions cruise speeds between Mach 5 and Mach 7 using advanced scramjet propulsion. Special wing structures generate lift at extreme velocities, while the fuselage must endure temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. Engineers propose multi-layer active cooling systems and transparent ceramic windows to maintain cabin safety and comfort. The aircraft could carry 50 to 80 passengers, depending on route configuration. If successful, this project wouldn't just redefine aviation, it would create an entirely new era of global travel. Number 3. AG-600 Kunlong Amphibious Aircraft. The Kunlong is the largest amphibious aircraft ever built. With a wingspan of nearly 39 meters, it can transport up to 12 tons of cargo and operate from both land and open water. In firefighting operations, it can scoop 12 tons of water in just 20 seconds, then release it with pinpoint accuracy. For search and rescue missions, it can evacuate up to 50 people, even landing in seas with waves reaching 2 meters. Powered by 4 turboprop engines, the Kunlong has a range of 4,500 kilometers and can stay airborne for 12 hours. Military variants are also being developed for maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare. Number 2. Winglong 2 Combat Drone. The Winglong 2 proves that drones are no longer just reconnaissance tools. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV can remain airborne for 32 hours, monitoring vast regions without interruption. It operates at altitudes of up to 9,000 meters and has a range exceeding 4,000 kilometers. With a payload capacity of 480 kilograms, it can carry guided missiles, smart bombs, and precision rockets. Its satellite communication system enables it to operate far beyond visual range, controlled from command centers thousands of kilometers away. Already in service across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, the Winglong 2 is bringing advanced airstrike capabilities to nations that once lacked them. Number 1. JH-7 Flying Leopard. At number 1 is a surprise choice. The JH-7 twin-seat supersonic fighter bomber was designed for naval strike missions and suppression of enemy air defenses. It can carry up to 9,000 kilograms of weapons, including YJ-83 anti-ship cruise missiles, capable of destroying warships from over 250 kilometers away, with speeds approaching Mach 2 and a combat radius exceeding 1,650 kilometers. It plays a critical role in protecting China's coastal and maritime interests. While newer aircraft exist in limited numbers, over 240 JH-7 units remain active, making it the backbone of China's naval strike capability, reliable, proven, and ready for combat.
With over
From stealth
240
bombers to
operational units,
hypersonic interceptors
JH-7
to
is
autonomous
available,
drones and
combat-proven,
massive
and ready for
amphibious
more advanced
aircraft,
aircraft
China's
remain in limited
aviation arsenal
quantities.
is
The types of jets
redefining
and
the
aircraft
rules of
that
air
China is
dominance.
deploying right
Now
now.
it's your turn. Do you believe China is on track to dominate the
Amphibian ever
future
built
of military
through
aviation?
autonomous drones.
Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this
and
deep dive into
fifth-generation
advanced
stealth
military
fighters. Each
technology,
aircraft
don't forget
represents
to
a
like and
technological
subscribe.
leap that's
See you in the next video.